Hi, it's May with a Tuesday Tech Tip. This week I want to talk about setting up rules in mail. This is a great way to get your mail a little more organized so you're not overwhelmed all the time. I'm going to start really simply and show you just how to make one simple rule, and I think once you learn how to make one, you'll see the power of it. Now, the mailbox that I have set up here is not a real mailbox. It's got a bunch of fake mail in it, so I don't have a lot of good examples for you, but I'll show you what I do have. So I'm going to open up Mail, click on Mail Preferences, and I'm going to click on Rules. Now, most Apple computers come with this News from Apple set up as a rule, and it's interesting to open this up and look at it, and you can see what they've done. So I'm going to click on Edit. And you can see that they have, what it says here is, here's the name of the rule, News from Apple, if any of the following conditions are met. So if the from contains this or this or this, so if the from comes from any of these things, then it's going to set the color of the background to blue. It's going to stop evaluating the rules, and that's it. So basically what this is saying is all it's going to do is it's going to make the rule, it's going to make the email blue. It's going to give it a little blue background. Now, I don't even have any Apple emails to show you how that works, but let's make our own rule and you'll see. So I'm going to go back to Preferences, and this time actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a mailbox first. So I'm going to go here into my mailbox sidebar. I'm going to click plus, and I'm going to make a new mailbox, and I'm going to call it, just because that's what the example I'm going to be using, I'm going to call it Mail from May. I'm going to say, okay, so here I have a new mailbox called Mail from May, and there's nothing in it. So now I'm going to go back to my mailbox. What's highlighted here is an email, a fake email from me, and the address here is May@Lyric Partners. So I'm going to make a rule that says take all the emails from May@Lyric Partners and put them into this folder. So I'm going to go back to Preferences. I'm going to add a rule. I'm going to call it Mail from May. It's very simple then to go back and find where this rule is. And I'm going to say if any of the following conditions are met. Now, I have this email right here highlighted, and this is a nice little trick to know about. So when I come in here and I click on From, it's going to pick up the from of that email. If I clicked on to, it would pick up the to of that email. If I clicked on the subject, it would click on the subject of that email. So I'm going to click on From. So if any emails come in that are from May@Lyric Partners, I want to move the message to Mail from May. And I'm going to say, okay, and then it's going to ask me, do you want to go ahead and apply that now? Now, if you have a lot of emails from this person or from this company and you want to move them, say yes. If you want to leave them where they are currently, then say don't apply, and it will only apply for future emails that come in. I'm going to say apply, and I'm going to close my rule box. Now, when I click on Mail from May, which was empty before, now you can see that all of these emails have gone into this email box Mail from May. So I'm going to leave it at that. That's a lot to digest for now, and you can play around with that and see if you can figure out some ways to maybe get your email a little bit more organized with this, just that little hint. So good luck with that. I hope that helps, and thank you so much for stopping by.